Some may define it, the sugar and problems, but it's hard just to start. Ooh, no.